The Red Horizon, a spacecraft that had transported numerous astronauts to Mars, touched down on the dusty surface of the planet. Among them were 6 experienced crew members: astronauts Clark, Watson, Ramirez, Park, Johnson, and Liu. They were on a routine mission to collect samples and conduct experiments on the Martian surface. As they roved across the harsh landscape, they stumbled upon an abandoned research station. It was a strange discovery because the mission had been unaware of any previous Mars mission in that area. Puzzled, they decided to investigate further. The air felt heavy with an eerie sense of abandonment as they cautiously entered the station through a broken door. Inside, they found signs of a hurried departure: overturned chairs, shattered glass, and scattered papers. It seemed like a place that had been abandoned in haste, with important research and equipment left behind. Something unusual had definitely taken place, and curiosity gripped the astronauts. "Let's find out what happened here," whispered Liu, her voice tinged with apprehension. They discovered a logbook left open on a dusty table. As they skimmed through its pages, more confusion ensued. It turned out that this station had once belonged to a previous Mars mission that had mysteriously disappeared. The team had never been reported missing, and no search parties had been deployed. The logbook revealed fragments of the missing team's experiences. Familiar faces on the station had grown distant and paranoid. The log entries spoke of an unearthly artifact discovered on an expedition, an object that seemed to have had a powerful influence over the team, manipulating their emotions and controlling their actions. Suddenly, a sense of foreboding settled upon them. Could they too succumb to this mysterious artifact's control? Was their every action, thought, and decision being micromanaged by an unseen force? Questions swirled in their minds as tension mounted. Days turned into nights, and fear intensified among the crew. The walls seemed to close in, and the once tight-knit group found themselves questioning each other's motives. The lines between friend and foe blurred as paranoia took hold. Driven by their sheer desperation to survive, the crew made an unlikely alliance. They decided to divide into pairs, keeping a close eye on one another to ensure none fell under the artifact's spell. Working around the clock, they pieced together snippets of the missing team's research, looking for a way to escape its clutches. But as their awareness heightened, so too did the artifact's influence. Each passing day grew more challenging, as the crew fought to maintain control over their minds and actions. It was a psychological battle that threatened to consume them entirely. In their darkest moments, a breakthrough occurred. Watson deciphered an encrypted message hidden within the logbook, revealing a weakness in the artifact. It could be disabled if exposed to extreme heat. Fueling their determination, they decided to destroy it, no matter the cost. With great effort, they engineered an impromptu furnace within the research station. Sweat dripped down their faces as they fed the artifact into the roaring flames, watching it writhe and distort in its final moments. As it disintegrated into ash, a profound sense of relief washed over them. The next day, the crew returned to the Red Horizon, their mission to Mars now a haunting memory. They marveled at the Martian landscape outside their spacecraft's window, grateful for their newfound freedom. They knew that even though their minds had been tested, they had triumphed over the artifact's manipulation. They vowed to share their experiences, to ensure no one else fell victim to its powerful control. Together, they faced the uncertainty of their future, knowing they had grown stronger through their harrowing encounter on Mars.